the preparation, it really is everything. That's going to help keep the costs down. It's going to help make the client's life easier and better on moving day, because it can already be a stressful process. You have so many things going on. You're buying a new home, you're selling a home, you're moving maybe into a whole new part of town, or maybe you're moving in, from somewhere else. There's just so many things. Plus, you got all the utilities to cut off and set up, and cable guys and all these things. And so our job is to make things as easy and as smooth as possible. So we try to help prepare everybody by saying, here are the things that can trip up a lot of people when it comes to moving, whether it be making sure all the boxes are packed, and including things like the garage that people forget about. Maybe things like closets are another one that people forget about. Closets they turn into mini storages because they can hold a lot of stuff. Yeah, me too, I know. So without, if sometimes if you don't bring that to the forefront and let people know ahead of time, far enough in advance, where they have a month, 2 weeks to a month to really go through those items, and it kind of gives them time to also maybe get rid of some items that they don't really need, and either donate them, trash them out, whatever it is, to help get that load down so that we don't have to move it, and it saves them money overall in moving time. Yeah, I've even told people, if you're gonna have all the boxes packed and ready, if you have a 2-story home and you want to bring them downstairs, that's gonna save a little bit of time. Even to the point where I've told people to stack them in columns, and then have the columns be about chin level, maybe nose level, depending on how tall people are. But having them stacked maybe 3 boxes high or 4 boxes high if they're smaller boxes, and that way when the guys come out, because when the movers show up, usually they won't grab one box and take it out to the truck. They'll grab boxes and they'll stack them and then put the dolly underneath and then take them out to the truck. So if we don't have to stack them first, everything's stacked and ready to go, and they can just dolly them and go, it saves on time. So all these little things will just kind of help the move go a little bit smoother, a little bit faster, and then it just saves the customer money overall. There's obviously with everything going on where the economy's taking a big hit, people are out of jobs, and not everybody has a lot of money to be able to move, but some people still either want to move or have to move. We're here for everybody. We have plenty of crews available. The current climate that we're in financially, if when customers give us a call, if they are moving in April or May and they get scheduled with us today, we have some significantly lower rates. We have free packing materials. Even if people are going to pack most of their boxes, things that get missed are things like TVs, maybe some specialty pictures, the mattress bags. Most moves will have $20 to $40 of packing materials that they'll need, that will provide. But right now we're offering the first $75 of any packing materials needed for free, and then we're offering 50% off any packing materials after that. 50% discount on anything else over the first $75. So this kind of helps with some of those specialty items that way they don't have to try to run to the store, be exposed to many people. Obviously, they can just have our guys take care of it for them, one less thing on their plate, and we'll take care of it, and saves quite a bit of money for them. And then with our rates right now, I think we're averaging probably anywhere between $10 to $15 an hour less than many of our competitors. So we really believe and we really love our community. So anytime we have a chance to give back, it's definitely what we want to do.